to my channel. I'm Maggie. Have you ever sat down to write an email but suddenly felt stuck on how to start? Well, you're not alone. That's why today I'm sharing 10 useful sentences that you can use to enhance your email writing skills. Let's begin by starting an email. First of all, a courteous opening line such as, I hope this email finds you well, or I hope you're having a great day, sets a positive tone for the entire email. I hope this email finds you well, or I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a great week. After the opening line, you can proceed with the intention of the email. You should use one clear sentence to express exactly what you want from the recipient. For example, you need the latest update on a project. Could you please provide the latest update on this project? Could you please provide the latest update on this project? Or this email is to give the other side an update on the project. You can say, I wanted to update you on the progress of our project. I wanted to update you on the progress of this project. Or the purpose of the email is to ask for an extension on a deadline. Would it be possible to extend the deadline to the next Monday? Would it be possible to extend the deadline to next Monday? Of course, you can also be writing to set a deadline for a project. Could you please have this completed by next Monday? Could you please have this completed by the end of the week? Speaking of setting deadlines, one mistake I make a lot is using the wrong preposition when I say this sentence.
I used to always say, could you have this completed until the end of the week? And I only know about this mistake when I was using my AI writing assistant Ingram to check my grammar when I was trying to write an email. As you can see here, Ingram corrected my preposition to by.
When it comes to learning English, writing or formal writing has always been the hardest part for me. So when I found Ingram, an AI writing assistant, I was beside myself. I was super excited and very happy to introduce you guys to Ingram as well. Ingram is a very useful AI writing tool optimized for non-native speakers. Like you can see here, the Ingram proofreader corrects your sentences, and once we accept the change, it shows that there are no more errors. Okay, if you're impressed, bear with me because there is more. What I personally like the most about Ingram is that it provides options and styles of writing. Ingram's paraphraser gives you options for standard, formal, academic, casual, shorter, longer, and easier versions of the same phrase. Furthermore, Ingram has a translation tool that can help you translate 5 different languages into English. Now that you know everything about Ingram and you're intrigued, you're in luck because we have a link for a 15-day free trial of Ingram Premium. All you need to do is click on the link in the description and pinned comment down below, and then use my code Maaaxter to redeem the 15-day free trial. Now back to our list. If you're writing the email to propose scheduling of a meeting, you should write down this sentence. Are you available for a meeting at your earliest convenience? This is a great option because it prioritizes the recipient's schedule. This implies that you are more flexible with your schedule and you can adjust yours according to their time constraints. Are you available for a meeting at your earliest convenience? If there's an attachment in this email, you can use this sentence to let the other person know. I have attached the requested documents for your review. I have attached the requested documents for your review. Or sometimes you have just ended a very productive meeting or a phone call and there's a lot of action items. You want to list them out in an email, you can say, to clarify, our next steps will be as follows. To clarify, our next steps will be as follows. And then you can list all the action items. Then move on to the end of the email. You might want the recipients to know that you're available if they need any help. Please let me know, or feel free to let me know if there's anything else I can do to help. Please let me know, or feel free to let me know if there's anything else I can do to help. If you send the recipient a project or a proposal or something you would want their feedback on, you can add a sentence before you sign off. I would appreciate your feedback on this. I would appreciate your feedback on the proposal. I would appreciate your feedback on the budget. If this email was intended for a potential partnership, you can add a sentence at the end for a final push. I'm sure that together we can achieve a great result. I'm sure that together we can achieve a great result. Alrighty, that's it for today's video. I hope it's useful. Let me know in the comment down below what else you want to watch from this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!